In this video, we at iDoc Europe show you how to replace the back cover of your Galaxy S20. The repair is relatively easy, as only the glued back cover needs to be loosened and no other components need to be removed. You should plan about 30 minutes for this. For the repair, we recommend the following tools. High-quality tools and original Samsung spare parts are available at www.idoc.eu. All links to the spare part and tools can be found in the video description. And now we wish you a lot of fun with the repair. Switch off the device at the beginning to avoid short circuits during the repair. The Galaxy S20 is opened via the heavily glued back cover. But be careful, after a repair the phone is basically no longer waterproof. You can loosen the back cover by heating the glue and moving a flat tool between back cover and frame along the entire edge. Tools such as the iPlastix or the iFlex are particularly suitable for opening. The iFlex is particularly flexible, has rounded edges and is very thin but still sturdy. You also need several flat picks and a suction cup to remove the back cover. Use a heat gun or an ordinary hairdryer and gradually heat up the entire edge of the back cover. Heat the phone evenly for about 1 or 2 minutes, and be careful not to overheat it at any particular area, especially in the middle, where the battery is located. Place the suction cup on the bottom of the device and pull on it to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. If the back cover is heavily scattered, you can cover it with packaging tape. This way the suction cup holds better and you won't hurt yourself on the glass splinters. Also make sure that no splinters fall into the device. Then try to get into the gap with your tool. With the iFlex this is a bit easier than with the iPlastix, because it is made of metal and a bit thinner. However, with the iFlex you can also scratch the frame of your device more easily. Therefore, we recommend that you continue with a plastic tool as soon as possible. To do this, slide the iPlastix under the iFlex into the gap. Then you can pull out the iFlex. Then heat up again the place where you continue to work on and slide your tool further along the edge. Take care not to scratch the frame with the edges of the tool. To prevent the glue from reconnecting, you can use several picks and insert them into the part that has already been loosened. Then go along the entire frame and gradually loosen the glue. Do this several times if necessary and heat up again and again in between. Do not push the tool too far into the device. Be especially careful around the cameras. Here you can see the glue. It is mainly on the whole edge. Now compare your new back cover with the old one. You may still have to take over the cover for the cameras or the microphone. Loosen them with hot air and insert them into the new back cover. An original Samsung back cover from iDoc comes with the cover and microphone. Before you attach the back cover, check if there is any old glue left on the frame of the device. Remove them so that the new back cover lies flat and flush. Remove the plastic films over the adhesive surfaces of the back cover and then position it on the device. Gently place it on first and press it firmly when it is properly centered. Heat the back cover with hot air so that the adhesive bonds again. Please note, however, that the smartphone is no longer 100% waterproof after the repair. As long as the glue cools down, you can press the back cover glass firmly with your fingers or weigh it down slightly. Your phone is fixed now and we hope it was fun for you. If you liked the video, why don't you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. High-quality tools, spare parts and accessories are available in our store. See you next time.